Hi guys, I'm gonna be doing an AG quiz, and it's gonna be a little bit hard. So, you can enter for free. You don't have to subscribe or anything if you want to. What all you have to do is, I'm just gonna, and yeah, so I'm just gonna, write down, I'm just gonna write down the stuff about them. So, I have to answer it up here, but I'm not to show you it. Well, obviously, so she has long hair. She she has an L in her name. First, she has long hair. She has an L in her name. Well, in the first name and last name. She her best friend's her best friend's name has a V in it. So first, she has long hair. She has an L in her first name and last name. Hold on. Her best friend's name has a V in it. And I said that because it's gonna be an easier question. So and then there is another one. So we're done with Julie. Now we're on to something else. Another American Girl. She has what? Okay. Okay. She has short hair. She loves pink. The color pink. She sometimes wears a ribbon in her hair. So first we're gonna go over Julie. So, oh my God. Never mind. So she has long hair. She has an L in her name. Best friend's name has a V in it. Now onto another girl. She has short hair. She loves pink, color pink. She sometimes wears a ribbon in her hair. I can't tell you any more, but that is all I can tell you. So, comment down below who you think she is, and if you think she is right, two girls, I will reveal your prize. So, bye. Hope you can get everything right in AG, please. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.